Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mazda CX-5 infotainment system. This process is straightforward and can resolve many common issues. We'll cover the exact steps to perform a soft reset, which is often all you need. You'll learn which buttons to press, how long to hold them, and what to expect during the reboot. Let's get your system running smoothly again. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even outdoors, just like you might be working on your Jeep. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Before you finish, let's do a quick check. Give the new blade a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached and won't come loose. Then, turn on your Jeep and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid. Watch the blade as it cleans the window, making sure there are no streaks or areas it misses. Everything should be clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.